शो की शुरुआत करते हैं उन एक्ट्रेसेस से जिन्हें बेहद जरूरत है एक स्टाइलिस्ट की। B-Town ladies are supposed to take the world by storm. They are supposed to look hot and sexy. But what's stopping these 5 ladies from looking hot? Let's find out.
Vidya Balan, Aasin, Amisha Patel, Amrita Rao, Mallika Sherawat. क्या है इन सब में कॉमन? Well, all these gorgeous ladies are suffering from a wardrobe disaster. आज हम अपने स्टाइलोमीटर पर वर्स्ट wardrobe ladies को रेट करेंगे, क्योंकि हमारे अकॉर्डिंगली इन सबको एक स्टाइलिस्ट की सख्त जरूरत है। On number 5 is Vidya Balan. Vidya has always been criticized ever since her Hey Baby days. Hey Baby में विद्या की स्टाइलिंग को बेहद क्रिटिसाइज किया गया, and even in her next film किस्मत कनेक्शन, चाहे वो ब्लैक ड्रेस हो या फिर ऑरेंज अनारकली, विद्या seems to have a problem in carrying just about everything. बस फिर क्या था, विद्या got so conscious that she took solace under Sabyasachi's shelter. And she completely transformed into a साड़ी woman. अब हर इवेंट में विद्या सिर्फ साड़ी में ही, to be precise, Sabyasachi साड़ी में ही नजर आती हैं. Vidya has been completely transformed into a behenji. Vidya's sarees and her buns, that's what she's now known for. Because it's high time Vidya hires herself a stylist. Number 4 पर है Aasin. Aasin ने बॉलीवुड में ग्रैंड एंट्री मारी विद आमिर खान एंड गजनी. फिल्म्स में तो अप्रिसिएशन मिला, मगर पब्लिक अपीयरेंसेस काफी फीकी पड़ गई. Look at Aasin's these 3 appearances. Black is a heavenly color which makes any woman look thin, which made her look heavy and quite hideous if we may say so. We wonder what was going in her mind when she decided to wear this black dress. Khair, even this next one, the dress is a little too bad, especially when paired up with those shoes and this green satin gown. Well, satin is supposed to make you look hot and sensuous, lekin this satin gown is making her look quite fat. With all Aasin's choice of clothes, she's always had the problems of choosing the wrong kind of dresses for her, which makes her look fat, or they make her look quite tacky. For instance, this one she wore for a brand she endorses. Knock knock, Aasin. Check out a stylist soon before it's too late. Falling on number 3 is Amisha Patel. This girl has always had a problem with her styling because she never just got it right. Check out Amisha's top 3 worst dresses. Prince is not for everyone to carry off. Amisha wears this yellow butterfly printed gown for an event, and that too at night. Ouch! Who wears yellow prints at night? How about the silver dress she's wearing? It makes her look fat and quite careless too, because probably she didn't have time to sit and decide for a dress for the evening. अब चलिए साड़ी की ही बात करते हैं. जहाँ हर लड़की साड़ी में खूबसूरत लगती है, वहीं अमीशा पटेल इस साड़ी में थोड़ी टैकी लग रही हैं. The way the saree is draped makes her look pretty ugly. Actually, we think she just never got it right how to wear the saree. अमीशा बेब, हमारी आपके लिए एक ही सलाह है. फिल्म में तो आपको मिल नहीं रही, एटलीस्ट एक स्टाइलिस्ट हायर कर लीजिए. कम से कम पेस्ट्री पार्टीज में आपको कुछ रिस्पेक्ट तो मिलेगी. नंबर 2 पर बात करते हैं अमृता राव की. This petted girl could just never find a perfect stylist for herself. मीडिया में हमेशा एक क्रिटिसाइज रही for styling and why not. अगर वो ऐसे कपड़े पहनकर मीडिया अपीयरेंसेस देंगी तो मीडिया भी क्या करे. जरा ध्यान से देखिए इस पर्पल ड्रेस को. अब ड्रेस तो ठीक ठाक है, मगर अमृता, what about the clutch and the shoes? Okay, next, how about this gown? Let's move on. The gown is really tacky for a Bollywood babe. And this green kurti, don't you think it looks like a padded combination and Amrita might just fly out of the window? अमृता राव के कुछ पास्ट अपीयरेंसेस ने स्टाइल मीटर पर ड्राउट मचा रखा है. We hope she gets a stylist for herself soon. And now for the number 1. Hold your breath, क्योंकि number 1 position पर है none other than Mallika Sherawat. Mallika tops this chart क्योंकि she's the perfect babe who needs a stylist ASAP. Cannes 2011 तक में disastrous red carpet walk दे चुकी, certainly ये title deserve करती है Mallika. After all, only she would make such a blunder to walk like this in a net black spider web type gown on Cannes red carpet. ये तो इस साल का हाल था. पिछले कुछ सालों में भी Mallika के सारे appearances काफी disastrous रहे हैं. Be it in this booty golden lehenga or this peach halter dress. Okay, let's not only talk about this. काश हम मल्लिका की किसी ड्रेस के बारे में तो कह सकते that she's looking good. Well, तो ये थी बॉलीवुड की 5 worst dressed celebrities. We hope they are watching Pastry Life so that they can get themselves their much needed stylist very soon. Amrit Walia, Zing, Mumbai.